Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted My Eyes Only pictures on Snapchat. So if you've seen videos claiming that they can recover deleted My Eyes Only photos without your passcode, then here's what you should know. The truth is, if photos have been permanently deleted from My Eyes Only, then Snapchat doesn't provide an official way to recover them. If you simply forgot your password, then you can reset it, but resetting the My Eyes Only password permanently deletes everything stored there. So before resetting anything, make sure you're using the correct Snapchat account and try to remember your original My Eyes Only passcode. And you need to avoid apps or websites that claim they can recover deleted My Eyes Only content. So that was what you need to know about recovering deleted Snapchat's My Eyes Only pictures. Please do not forget to like, comment, and